Alright, so a lot of you people will be happy to know. So quite a few comments on it and a lot of people asking on it. We're back on the Triumph, back working on the Triumph for a bit. Been a while since working on it. Customer had a few series of unexpected events, let's say, and so he had to stop the work because money was a bit of an issue for him and he didn't want to run him up too much of a bill that he couldn't pay. So but he's starting to get back on his feet, and so he's starting to make some payments towards this now, and I'm happy to start work again on it. Spent a bit yesterday going back over it. Just trying to pick up where I left off, remember where I left off. If I remember right, I actually done majority. I think it was just fuse box and the connectors where the regulator rectifier are and whatnot, but most of them are going to be replaced anyway, so there's no point servicing them. There's also, the covers on it, but I've got back there where his license plate is. You can take that plate off, I noticed that, and there's a load of connectors down there as well, so I'll be doing them as well at some point. Obviously I'm just going to pick up on the plan where I left off, and this was the one, and this is just a fuse box in the Triumph. I'd say most of everything else has been done. If you watch back on the early videos, you see me disassembling all these and cleaning them out one by one. It's been quite a fun job. At the minute it's middle of winter, it's freezing cold, but working on electrics is really therapeutic, and I don't seem to get cold when working on electrics. It's just odd. But yeah, this one, I'd say we're coming back on Triumph, getting it back working again, and so it's not too far off. To be fair, once I've serviced these, they're all good, probably still work, but they're not too bad back there, but may as well while I'm here. It's a good video to show. Once that's all connected up, I can try and get his, see if I can get it running again once it's all back together, of course. So you just wait. The problem was I was waiting on payment for a few parts. Naturally, he needed a bit of a loom that connects to his headlights from the main loom, and that was absolutely foobarred, and I didn't want to put that back on. So same again, it was another part, and I didn't want to be ordering and paying for parts that he might not be able to pay for. But so far so good, is all there now, and yeah, we're back to it. Anyways, off we go. I've already took pictures. So that's what he did, is take pictures. He's got the other part, and I've got the other part somewhere, which obviously has a label telling you which fuses where. Make sure you know, have a note of where they are. That's obviously, I'll just take another one now just to be safe. 1 second. There we go. I took one bit, it's better safe than sorry. And from here I can start DCing. The problem is I can't do it one by one on this. Some of these are 3-pin. See if it gets in. Yes, some are 3-pin, some are single, some are 3-pin. These 3-pin ones could be a nightmare because you've got to try and click 3 pins at once. But let's get cracking with the knacking. Get me tilt. Start pulling some fuses out. I'll keep the ones in for now that what's it. Same while you're here, it's always good you can do a continuity test on your fuses, make sure they're all good. But we already know what we're wrong with this one. Ones like this, ones that pull out, to be honest, they're not too shiny, but this is from experience that has seen burning. I don't know if the camera can get it or pick it up, but that, no, you can just see that tinge there, but that's a burn tinge, that's not a corrosion tinge, that's burning. So that fuse got hot. I can even see a bit of melt there. But obviously, if you don't know what you're looking for, you won't be able to see that. These are quite stiff in there. Naturally, he was having charging issues, so it won't surprise me. Can send your electrics haywire. Same again, that brown tinge there, if the camera gets it. Not too bright. There's like a tinge there. Trying to get in like a tinge. It's so hard to make out during the dark. There's like a tinge there. Yeah, it's a hot fuse, a burning fuse, so it's been in there too long. Same with these, as you see, you've got one connected on one side, one on the other. And to release these, there's a little plastic tab. And this is where it gets real tricky on the three-sided one. Real tricky. So if you like proddy tools and pokey tools, make sure they're all ready. And this is truly like picking a lock. If I can try and see if I move it for the camera so the camera might be able to see. No guarantee. There we go. You've got so it's an all one unit. We're only going for the left side. And one is slightly smaller screwdriver. Can I get it? Key is to try and lift one up and kind of lodge it in place. And same with the other end. Lodge it out. Kind of push it back a bit. And go for the third. That's a bit lucky, I can hear that edge up. There's the third. There we go. I actually got quite lucky there. Really got lucky there, I wasn't expecting that. Because that can be a quite pain. Like I say, normally sometimes you have to get like 3 screwdrivers and pin it in and back and then push. But no, I got lucky that time. So it's probably so, as you can see. This is probably much a main feeding wire. If you look back here, to be fair, like I say, it's not too bad. But it's all examination. And that's not too bad. You can still see it's all shiny. And then I think you're going from the back. Yeah, you're going from the back. If the camera can pick it up again, it's such tiny little connectors. But you kind of like go in from the back. A tiny little pink prodder, and you can squeeze these back together as well, so you got a firmer attachment. And yeah, we'll give these a quick blast for electrical contact clean. Shop that's still clean, to be honest. Not many fuses. Which is like that. There's the contact clean all over there. Give it a quick blast. I go out and move around yesterday. It's been sat for a good long time. Go and move around yesterday. It's not too bad, to be fair. Shockingly enough, it's actually not too bad. Brakes were stiff but not seized, which always gives hope. Could do with a camera protector screen or something. What we're going to do, lowest setting. Turn it slightly. I'm just going to get that. This is all pre-corrosion, this is like you are doing this with a power tool, just keep it on the lowest. You pin 1 and 2. Just a quick one over. Very good. So the top side. gentle. So it's been a while doing this. Yeah, anyway it's got the corrosion. That's all looking lovely. Like so. Right. I do believe we can get in there. Start the prongs it slightly. Yeah, there we go. Just jump down there. Before you reassemble these, look at this. There's like 2 little prongs down there. Just stick a little screwdriver in and can tighten that connection up a little bit. There we go. And now we'll make sure that the contact's pushing a little bit better. 2 minutes, I'm short a toothbrush. Just want to get down to these because make sure you get a toothbrush when you have some bristles down and get them clean as well. That's not too bad. Back in a ready moment. Right, and we're back. See if a toothbrush this time. It's just sticking some bristles down there. Let's get any crawling crap out. You do the same down the back. Bless the contact cleaner, oh god. Yeah. Well, everyone heard in the background a car pull up, and then you've just heard that car go. Yeah. Explain that to me. Same guy just appears out nowhere, pulls up, sits there for about 20 minutes and pulls off. The same when he calls up for the night, isn't that car for about 20 minutes? That car spends more time on oil than it does driving. I ain't got a clue. Anyways. Let's see. Somewhere. Bit of dielectric grease just over the contacts. Anyways, you just make sure it doesn't go in there, but we'll dabble. Especially at the back, that's how you want it. Weirdly, that one came out weirdly fine. We'll have a look with the other one. Anyway, alright, pop that back in its place. Just have a look down there while that's it. No crust, good. That's that one. What's the next one? We're working on this side now. That H side. Also, because they're single units, they should come out a little bit easier for them to pick a lock, sort of thing. You take a little screwdriver and click out. Sometimes it just stays on its own. Sometimes you need one to sit there. You take the other one and push. So that come out was actually a bit of crust. To be fair with these, they're actually not too. It's the back ends that are bad. And your main, as I've always said, this is where your main concern is. You can't always see that just from looking up and down, you know, looking here and here, you know, you have to take the thing off to tell that. Very lightly. It's not too bad, this one at all. Just get that off the side. If they're all shiny, there's not much point. Doesn't it? Again, just go down there, see if there's any crap down there. Same in front. Don't forget, before you reassemble, dush and dush. Gives it a nice, better point of contact. Vaseline. There we go. Right there. And use the excess, just go to what's around here. Yeah. Throw that one back in. I'd say afterwards you can always just plough a load down here to waterproof it or whatnot. Next one down, so working next one down. Like so. You get it pushed back and it should. It's double wire, that's why. The worst part about this job, especially when doing this, is when you unclick one and then unwittingly click it back in. That's where I want it to be. I'll go over this time. There we go. Same again. Looking alright, that is, to be fair. Bit of grime around the back, but that's to be expected because that's where the moisture is going to start working its way in and up. Again, it's here that you, of course, are concerned. And we're just going to sure that contact stays nice and clean. Which, to be fair, it pretty much is already, which is good. Makes the job a whole lot quicker. Oh. Screwdriver. Same again, do not forget to push down your prongs. still help along the way. This. Gotcha. Put this one back in. I'm not going to show all of them. I'm just going to video up to this orange wire. Me getting that one done. And to be honest, I've actually got to stop today because I can only do some bits at the minute. Time is short. Time is short. But like I said, I just want to try and get us back into this bike as soon as possible. It's the third one, same again, just like picking the lock, and there we go. So I mean by unpronging it myself, that is just case in point. There you get it out and then it just clicks itself back in. Maybe we'll get lucky so I won't let it fall back in. Now give it a try if they use some nice thick gauge wire here doing this, which is a good thing. But you can see the problem that people say about it. It's a nightmare to work around with because it does not flex very well, and this could be also a sign of dried wire, dried burnt wire, cold hands as well. Fingertips start to feel it. I think it's going to be a bitter winter this year. There we go, there's the third one out. Yeah, let's examine. It's not bad. Well, I've got to start a bit of rust here, which isn't good. A bit of rusty in there. It's not bad. Connection's all good, no breaks. It's started, it's not shiny, but there's a sense of dull in there. So I'll give that a quick push here with some contacty cleaner. This is what makes sure it's called that. Chill with the cold all night, but when you spray contact cleaner and brake cleaner, your hands soon start to freeze. You want them to or not. Let's see here. So Scrubby, we're getting that, getting the bristles. Is there any crap in that? There we go, I'm actually seeing a bit more shine now. It's good. It's always a nightmare when you've left a job for a while and then you've got to go back to it and start it again. Picking up where you left off is a hard thing. You'll trust that you stored everything well and whatnot. I mean, I have done, so for this one. And thankfully I've got the Haynes trim where it all goes back together. That's the hard part. Even if you store it well, it's always how it goes back together. I've got the Haynes to guide me along. You can see it start to, what's it, that's not just from Dremel, that's from corrosion. It removes this outer coating that they put on these connectors. I mean, they're still fine, they're still good. It's you have to watch out for it, and as long as you put some dielectric grease or something around them, it's not a problem. Screwdriver again. That's it. That's it. Okay. Get the bare contact. Around the sides, and the top, that, around there, back. That's lovely, that is. And then we pop that one back in. Challenge accepted. There we go. Now from me, what you can do, it's a good strong weatherproofer. Not like Triumph did again, I'll keep repeating that. Just take some dietary grease and just around the bottom of them, around the base of them. Right. If you want to go whole, you can actually completely fill these up. Let me just show you how to do one of them. There you go. Well, that's blocked, so water essentially can't really get past that. It's going to struggle to do so, but you can do that with all of them if you wanted to. Especially if you're off-roading, it's a good way of reinforcing your electrical system, doing that. Just don't do it from the other end. This is the end you want to be concerned about. Though be advised, it costs you more. Goodies. There we go. In the back of there. Right. That's that side done. And then the camera. It's the other side now. What is the time now? 1:28, yeah. I'll probably do a part 2 recording this bit. We'll start with a few of them and then work away. I mean, there we go. There's what we're after. I don't know if the camera gets that. There. So a blue bit of corrosion just there, top. Right there. That's what we're on the hunt for, stuff like that. I mean, some of these are 2s, some of these are 3s, so it doesn't take as long to do, which isn't too bad. Yeah, we'll make that into a part 2. Join us in the next one.